Maria Duran, are you here in person? Maria Duran.
Buenos días a todos.
Good morning, everybody.
Mi nombre es María
My
Durán.
name is Maria
Represento
Duran,
pues
and I
a
represent
muchos padres
many
en
parents
apoyo de que pues
in
están
support that
teniendo
they
nuestros
are-
estudiantes de la escuela Vermont bullying
Vermont are having. They're suffering
con los
from
niños
bullying
que tienen
with
una
students
deshabilidad, una
that have a
IP.
disability or have an IEP.
Hemos tratado
We
como
have tried
padres
as parents to have a dialogue
llegando con
and talking to many or following instead the protocol step by step, and we have done it, but we have no solution, and we are just told that the staff will be trained at Vermont, and there have been teachers that intimidate students, and these parents have reported their concerns, and they don't listen to us. As I was saying before, the committees are manipulated. And it is something, as I was saying, they are manipulated by other parents. And we try to get along with all the other parents, but there's consequences. And then there's parents here present, parents from Vermont, they're volunteers, and they're selective. And there's also staff that even when they're special education educators, and we also have evidence as parents that our students are not treated well, especially those in special education. This is concerning. What we have heard and also addressed is that we want our students to be well, but unfortunately it has not happened. Some parents are intimidated. They don't want to come. Why? Because they say they're not listened to. Why? Or they're not heard. Because they are students that have had heard that they've been heard. They're students that have gone to the police station with the parent, with parent to open up a case. And I start to think, do you think that it's necessary that we have to get to that point to go to a court? No, you are here to support us. And we want a solution for these students, because what we want is that we want them, that some of our children are seated where you're seated now, so that they can continue to support more students. But as I was saying, what at the Vermont Elementary School, it's not being done. And as I was saying, there are selective parents that are selective. They don't allow us as parents to participate, and we want us as parents to be supported, to be heard, and to have an audit in this school so that you can see everything that's happening. And honestly, I thank you for listening to me. Thank you.